Use an iron with toilet paper, like this, and you'll thank me forever. If you have an iron and some toilet paper at home, today's DIY hack is going to amaze you. It's super simple, and it'll save you tons of time and money. Trust me, once you learn this trick, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. To get started, we'll grab a piece of toilet paper. Just a single sheet will do. Now, fold it in half, just like this. Then, take your open plastic package and place it on top of the folded paper. Now, fold the toilet paper over the top of the package, creating a neat cover. All right, now it's time for the magic. Take a hot iron and carefully press it over the folded toilet paper. Make sure you move gently to avoid overheating the plastic. The trick here is to use enough heat to seal without burning. People use this method everywhere, in kitchens, pantries, and even while camping. Take a moment to tell me which country you're watching from today. I'd love to give you a shout out in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Carolyn from California. What we've done is create a quick, effective heat seal using household items. No special machines required. This trick is perfect for keeping your food fresh, preventing spills, and protecting your ingredients from insects and air exposure.